So today I'm going to work on this furnace. I believe it's a Trane furnace, model number TUX1D120A9601AD. So this is basically, I'm going to just tell you some basic information in case you're a homeowner, you have no idea what furnace is. This is the gas valve that controls the gas flow into the furnace. Inducer motor. Basically, you can think about it as a vacuum motor that will suck that burned, fired gas that is going into here. And later I will show you in other videos how I'm going to remove the heat exchanger, and I'll show you how the flame will travel into the tubular heat exchanger all the way down here. And then will be pushed to the flue pipe, which is going outside to the atmosphere. Pressure switch is here, and then a control board. This is the trap. If you have a high efficiency furnace like this, I suggest you don't miss maintenance, because this trap here basically is made to collect all the dirt. Anything heavy, it will go in the bottom of this trap. It's like any kind of trap. So because this furnace is a high efficiency and the fume is coming out, it's almost cool, it's like a vapor, and then a lot of sweating happen, and then it will condensate. It will go down into these pipes from the motor, from that one, they go here into the trap. So if sometime the furnace doesn't work, and we're gonna go through the codes. Usually what happens when the water backs up, unfortunately this kind of system, a lot of them, they don't allow the condensation to go into the housing blower motor, but this one it does for some reason. And as soon as the water backs up, this pipe here, they put it right by the bottom, so it will sense water. Water will plug this hose, will clog it, so it doesn't sense the pressure, and the heat will stop, so you don't have water keep overflowing all over the places. A lot of time you can see water here. So basically what you need to do, remove these hoses, blow in them, so you can clear, or you can blast any restriction here, and then water will start go back. Many times I take this hose off and a lot of water comes, like I can fill a 1/3 of the bucket of water. So this is one thing with the condensation, with the high efficiency. You have to have always, if you skip 1 year, don't skip 2nd year. Believe it or not, this thing is going to back up. If you're lucky, maybe after 3-4 years. But usually when this backs up, it will cause a lot of damage to the wheel. There's a wheel inside. It will be wet. And you don't want the heat exchanger to stay wet for a long time, because it's going to rust. Okay, so this is the control board, transformers here, in case you want to know what it is, and a blower bracket, the blower housing, and here you have the wheel. Okay, so this is just general information. As far as the filter goes in here, now I don't recommend using really fancy schmancy restrictive filter. Use just the one you can see through. Why? Because you have only one return. If your furnace has 2 returns, you can use the most restrictive air filter you can. Otherwise, I recommend using only the one you can see through. It's a fiberglass, the cheap one. Usually it's like a few dollars. Okay, that's all what I can tell you. So this is a return, this is a supply going this way up. Okay, so we're gonna destroy this guy. I'm gonna go through each part and take it apart, and I'm gonna go through the whole process. And let's go for the next one. I think I'm gonna go next video how to remove and install the inducer.